Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the turntable motor seal in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Your first step is to remove the glass tray and pull the drive coupling straight up to remove. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the oven's bottom panel. Open the turntable motor terminal cover and disconnect the wires. Now unhook the wires from the retainer and disconnect the wire connector to fully lower the bottom panel. You can now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the mounting screws, securing the motor. Remove the motor and lift off the old seal. Install the new turntable motor seal by sliding it onto the motor shaft. Now realign the motor on the mounting plate and thread the mounting screws. Connect the wire connector and hook the wires in the retainer. Connect the motor wires to the terminals. Then align the terminal cover and snap it closed. Fully reposition the bottom panel and rethread the screws to secure. Realign the drive coupling on the motor shaft and push it into place. Realign the glass tray on the coupling. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.